Internet, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Kawaii Box unboxing video. It just slipped out of my hands for a second there. And it looks very summery. It is the July Kawaii Box. Alright, let's get into the unboxing. Okay, I mean, I always love snacks. You can win me over with snacks anytime. So this is a, well, it looks like a Taiyaki. I think the flavor is cream soda, so it's like a waffle, I'm not sure, waffle, and then in the middle you've got like cream soda flavored cream. I had to just like think about what I said there for a second. Flavor is cream soda, and it's cream, so that's why cream is used twice. But yep, delicious, very airy and light. And then we have a Cinnamoroll plushie. I always love Sanrio plushies or Sanex plushies. Like, you get a lot of plushies in these boxes, and a lot of them are just random characters, so when they are actual recognizable characters, it's a real nice change of pace. I might change this one out with I have this octopus on my work bag. Maybe I'll change it out with Cinnamoroll. Okay, this one looks like a case of some sort. It's on the big side for me. Let's see. I do have one sitting in my... Oh, okay. It's kind of nice. I have an old one. I can't find it now. I used to have one, I think must have come from a Kawaii unboxing as well, because I just feel like it has come from a Kawaii box. But it's square instead, and I use that to store some of the headphones that I use at my desk. Just because when I'm on the go, I tend to have AirPods, or I have these like really ridiculously bulky work headphones that my company gave me, my work, and they're like 4 times the size, so it wouldn't fit in this. But I love this. It's so cute. I just don't know if I would use it for headphones because I already have that other one for headphones. So I will think of something else for it, because the case is just so sturdy, like it wouldn't crush anything inside of it. So I think it'd be really useful. All right, I was like, what do I pick next? I'm gonna go with this one. I have a feeling these are like highlighters, because I've seen something similar to this in a previous unboxing. And yeah, highlighters. So they're like really cute. Like, I remember having something like this. I just can't remember what the item it represented was, but similar to this. Highlighters were really cute, but super impractical. But yeah, I'll test these at the end of the video so you guys can see what the highlighters are like. My money is on the fact that they're probably going to be very fluorescent. So this is a pencil? Cloud pen, sticky pen. Oh no, it's a pen. All right, it's just had a tip. There you go. It's a really fine tip. Like, I know this is supposed to be gimmicky, like a gimmicky, I can't even speak. I know this is just kind of like a novelty pen, but I'm actually going to test it out when I test the highlighters, because I like that tip. I don't know if you can see how fine it is, and it's not uncomfortable to hold. So, this is hair clip. I'm pretty sure it's a hair clip. Yeah. And then let's see what to do next. This one, is it like a purse? Oh, it's like the tiniest purse ever. I know the perfect person who's going to love this. One of my friends has a daughter. She's 4 and she's into ultra girly things. I think she's going to love this. So I'm not going to open it because I'm pretty sure this is something she would love. But yeah, a little bit young for my taste. To be honest, this month's box is a little bit on the young side. This is why I go back and forth on should I continue with Kawaii unboxing videos or not. Because some months are amazing, and then other months it's just probably aimed for like a very young audience. So I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm still going back and forth on it. Plus I feel like the audience likes Kawaii unboxing videos, so I feel bad to take it away as well. So you can see the bind I'm in. So these are flake stickers that have just fallen out of their little pouch. So I'm just going to take them out so you can see them clearly. They're they're stickers intended to like amp up your photos. So if you go to those photo booths, they used to be all the rage in Australia, but now it's more just isolated to Asia. Like, I know it came from Asia. What is it? Purikura? I think that's the net term for it. But you don't see them much in Australia anymore. But when you go to Japan, they're still around. So you add these stickers to your photos just to make them cuter. Which, they are cute. But yeah, so that is everything in July's Kawaii box. Let's go test out those highlighters and pen. Alright, so let's do the pen first, because I'm actually really curious to know how this writes. It writes really nicely, I'm not gonna lie. I actually quite like this pen. It's weird because it just looks so plain, right? It's like a stick. But I kind of like it. I wonder what sort of width it is. Sorry, I'm just really curious, so I'm just going to test this out with a few of my pens. So, where are we? Alright, so this is 0.5. And then we have 0.4. Okay, I think it's a 0.5 pen. Yeah, alright, it's much more 0.5. It's on the thicker side. Yeah, I'm surprised. I don't really like these novelty pens. I tend to just always give them away, but I actually like this one. I don't like the lid. It's quite heavy, although it looks nice. So yeah, I'm keeping that pen. Well, I surprised myself. I didn't expect that. So, we've got all the highlighters here, so I'm just going to test them all out. I can't tell. I think the color they are is what the lid is, even though this rim is blue. So, let's give it a shot. I mean, it's not a bad color. It's kind of nice. The lid is a little difficult to get off just because everything is so short. Actually, I quite like that green. It's quite muted. See, I almost wasn't going to test these highlighters because I'm like, they're like not my taste. But sometimes you find hidden gems and you just don't even realize that it could be something you like. So I like the green and the orange. Don't really like the pink because it's a bit too fluorescent. And this yellow is a bit on the fluorescent side. So yeah, the green and orange is really nice. But yeah, that is everything in Kawaii's July unboxing. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.